Hello everybody, hope everybody had a great weekend. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, then welcome to my channel. My name is Sonali. Do not forget to subscribe down below so that way you never miss another makeup tutorial with moi. So for today, I've created a very colorful eyeshadow look. This is completely out of my comfort zone. I never do colorful eyeshadows. I usually stick with very neutral, very natural, and if anything, a little bit of red and a little bit of pink, but never ever do I do like purplish, blue, pink all at the same time. So this is completely new for me. It's been a lot of fun. I really enjoyed it, and I just got the Sephora Pro palette in the mail, so this is what I've used today. And without further ado, let's get to the makeup. So since I've already put on some of my face makeup, I'm going to start off by applying some of my Bare Minerals Mineral Veil right underneath my eyes, just to catch any of the fallout that might come from the eyeshadow. And this is it. That's it. This is the look. To start off this look, I'm going to be taking this purple shade right over here, and with a smaller fluffy brush, I'm going to apply that right into my crease. Using the same brush, I'm going to pick up this pink shade right over here, and I'm going to apply that right above where I put the purple. After that, I'm going to be taking a smaller pencil brush, and with this blue color right over here, I'm going to apply that into my crease. To make the color a little bit more pronounced in my crease, I'm going to be wetting my brush with some of my Tarte's Rainforest of the Sea Boosting Mist. And picking up that same blue color, I'm just going to apply that a little bit more into my crease. And now going back in with that same fluffy brush I was using before, I'm going to pick up some of that purple shade again and just blend it out with the blue. Now going in with this light blue color over here, I'm going to be taking a flatter end brush, and I'm just going to pat it onto my eyelids. Now using the pencil brush, I'm going to be picking up the same blue color that I used before and just applying it into the crease again. So for this look, I'm just going to be going back and forth with all the colors just to like achieve the look that I want, which is more of like a gradient look, but at any point if you feel like you're good, then you don't have to be doing all these extra steps that I am. Now with a bigger, fluffier brush, I'm just going to blend everything together. Use a very light hand when you're blending all these colors together, because otherwise all the color is going to come off, and this way if you have a very light hand, you don't take off any of the color, you're just going to be lightly blending it all. So now that I'm done with the eyeshadow, I'm going to be picking up a powder brush, and I'm just going to wisp away the Mineral Veil powder. So what this Mineral Veil did is that it just caught all of the fallout from my palette, and when I like wipe it away, it just goes along with it, so there's no fallout on my face itself. So if you do have foundation before you do your eye look, then definitely use a Mineral Veil, otherwise you're going to have fallout all over your face and it'll be pointless to have done your foundation. Or you could just do your foundation afterwards, really whatever you want to do. But I had already had my foundation on, so that's why I did this. Anyway, so now I'm going to go into eyeliner. I'm using my Kat Von D tattoo liner in Trooper Black, as always. I'm going to pray that my eyeliner on this side is going to match the one on this side, because it rarely ever does. So from the looks of it, my eyeliner seems to match, and that is so new for me because it never happens, ever. So now I'm going to move into concealer. I'm picking up my Burberry Cashmere Concealer in the color Honey, once again, as always. It's running out. I need new concealer. So you can put the concealer on before you do the eyes, but you guys know that I forget everything when I'm doing my makeup, so I actually forgot to put concealer on. So Yeah. So now to set my concealer, I'm going to be picking up my Anastasia light to medium contour kit, and with an angled brush, I'm picking up this yellow shade right here and just applying it. So now I'm going to move back onto my lower lash line, and using this pink color with a clean pencil brush, I'm going to line my lower lash line. Then picking up the same blue color, the dark blue color, I'm gonna go towards the edge and make it a little bit darker where the wing is. And then with my Marc Jacobs Highliner, I'm gonna be lining my lower lash line. Oh, it's in the color black, as always. From there, I'm going to move on to mascara, and today I am using something different. I'm not using my L'Oreal Voluminous Superstar Mascara, for once. Instead, I'll be using my Too Faced Better Than Sex Mascara. So the reason that I think that I tilt my head back when I'm doing my mascara is not because it's just cool and it feels good and like whatever. No, it's because I have eyeshadow on my eye, and if I didn't push my head back and I just went like this, then all the mascara would get all over my eyeshadow and then like it would be all ruined. So yeah, that's the reason, okay? Oh no, I got some on my eyebrow. See when I was going like this, I got some on my eyebrow. See? Well, this eyebrow is just going to be darker than the other. Whatever. To contour and highlight today, I'm going to be picking up two of Anastasia's palette. One is the medium to tan contour kit, and then I'm also using the Sun Dipped Glow kit. So before I go into highlighter, I'm going to be going on into my blush, and with my BH Cosmetics Nude blush palette, I'm going to be picking up this middle light color over here. And then with the Anastasia Sun Dipped Glow palette, I'm picking up Moonstone on the bottom right, and with my finger I'm just going to apply it. So there have been a lot of questions in the makeup world about whether or not you need a highlighter brush to apply your highlighter. And honestly, I have a highlighter brush and I also use my finger, and more often than not I probably will use my finger just because it's easier and I don't have to like rummage through all my brushes to find the highlighter brush. But like, if you don't have a highlighter brush and you're wondering if you need one, you don't. Like, definitely just like use your finger. If you want the highlighter brush, go out and get it, like go for it. I have a highlighter brush, like I said, but you definitely don't need one. So the only time that I use I always use a brush is when I'm applying my nose highlight, and for that I use like a really, really thin lip brush more often than not. So that's what I'm gonna do now. I'm picking up Moonstone again with this brush, and I'm just gonna apply it down the bridge of my nose. And then using the same brush, I'm going to apply some into the tear ducts of my eyes. For lips today, I want to go with more of a natural look because I have such a crazy eye look. So I'm going in with my Marc Jacobs Lip Creme in the color J'adore. So this is the final look. I have paired this makeup look with a black turtleneck, a very simple blue accented necklace, and with my hair up in a messy bun. This way there is no distractions, all the focus is on my makeup, and everything else is pretty simple. In regards to the Sephora Pro Palette Review, I really enjoyed using it. As you guys can even tell just from like the display of the colors, it's really pigmented, and even more so on your eyelids. So definitely when you're using this palette, I would suggest either like putting down the mineral veil or doing your foundation and your concealer later. And especially when you're picking up a color, do not forget to like tap it all out, because a lot of fallout will fall on all over your face if you don't do that. So I really, really like this palette. It's great for like a really fun and colorful look, and I will definitely be using this in future tutorials. I hope you guys enjoyed this look. I definitely enjoyed doing it, and if you have any suggestions for me for what I should be doing for future videos, please leave them in the comments section below. And if that's all, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you!